Hey y'all, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. I have missed you guys. It's been a whirlwind. I mean, literally a whirlwind this week. But I am back to do another video through all the ups and downs that has went on this week. I still want to come in and share with you guys what I've gotten with all the raves of the releases that Coach have dropped. I did get a couple of items and I wanted to come and share with you guys. But without further ado, you know what to do. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification button so that you won't miss out on anything that I post or purchase moving forward. So it doesn't cost a thing, you guys. Remember, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification button, and I'll appreciate that. I'm still on the road to 500, almost there, you guys, and then we'll have a giveaway. All right, I don't want this to be a long video. I do want to touch on the item that I did get and then talk through some things. So without further ado, we know that that pink and that beautiful yellow was released. And I hope everybody was able to get what they wanted out of that. I know it's been the talk of town since they've released, when we've seen pictures, everybody's been in, a wait of, wanting to get the items. So I was able to get some items. I was able to get most of the items I got was for some friends, and then also a couple of items for myself. I am going to share one item. Again, my Coach retail store actually sells some outlet items, but also I had to order some items. So I'll talk through those items that I am still waiting and anticipating that goes with this item. So I don't want to talk you long. Let's go ahead and jump into the bag. All right, you guys. So without further ado, let me go ahead and put that down. And then let me go ahead and pull it up. If you don't know me by now, you already know what I got. I got the Rowan regular size. Why? Because you guys know I'm small. The larger Rowan is just big. I mean massive, you guys. I thought about getting it because it had the feet at the bottom. I want the feet so bad. I wish they would bring that back, you guys. Bring back the feet on the regular size Rowan. So I got this beautiful pink canvas signature C's, as you can see, Rowan. This does add to my collection. Now, I did I'm still up in the air with it, you guys, because I thought I seen this pink somewhere, and I kept telling myself, do I need this pink? I know you all know that I recently purchased the fuchsia pink, which is this one. This didn't have me questioning, should I get this one? Because again, as you can see, there are two different pinks, right? This is a deeper, more rose colored pink, fuchsia pink, and then you have the tan. So that wasn't, this didn't have me reconsidering getting this bag, okay? But there was another bag in my collection that made me think, and I'm still on the, I still don't know if I really truly need this one. And I'm going to share with you guys. I know this is an unboxing. I didn't need to unwrap it, you guys. I'm not doing all that. You guys have seen this so many times on my channel that I don't need to go into the full details of the Rowan. It's the beautiful color of the pink that we know. It's my favorite bag. But I don't want to go into the details of it. It does come with the strap. Now, I am a little jealous, you guys. The ones that got that larger Rowan, and I'm jealous because you guys got that guitar strap that I said that came with my camo Rowan. Where is it at? Where is she at? Camo. So, this time, they decided to give you guys a little treat. And I was a little jealous of that because you guys got that guitar strap. And I wanted that strap so bad with this size, but they gave it to the larger Rowans. Lucky you, okay? I was jealous. But I do have another bag that has a strap that will match that, and I'll show you guys in just a sec. But it came with this regular size. You guys know I probably won't never carry this. I mostly carry it as a top handle, okay? But let me go ahead and share with you guys why I was considering not getting this bag. Because in my mind, I thought, I have this pink. I have this pink. Why do I keep thinking I have this pink? Well, I'm going to show. And you guys, it's not Coach. Okay? Forewarning. It's not a Coach bag I'm about to pull out. But again, I am really trying to build my bag collection and making sure that I have the colors that I don't have, and I don't want to keep buying the same colors. So I'm going to go ahead and share on why I'm still considering, should I keep this or should I get something else? All right. Now that yellow, I want to tell you guys, it doesn't, you have to see it in person, that yellow. It's not given what is given on the site. And I had considered it. It's more like a line to me, and I thought that was beautiful. But let me jump in. I'm off subject. So here's the Rowan in the beautiful signature pink. This is the bag that made me reconsider. You guys, I have the Doomy and Bird satchel in this beautiful pink. If you look at it, they're in comparison, you guys. The pinks are pretty much the same. You have just, the only difference is you have that little deeper, like it's somewhat deeper. But this bag, it's really the same color. If anyone has the Doomy and Bird satchel in this gorgeous pink, compare your pinks and tell me if you feel like this is the same pink. You guys, this is given the same exact pink with the gold. And I love this bag. And if we look at the comparisons in the sizes as well, I know you guys is like, that's a big bag. It's not. It's a smaller size. But if I put it up to the Rowan, they're literally, let's see. The Rowan is, well, no, the Doomy and Bird is a snippet longer. But in size-wise, inside, it does the same thing. And so it's currently stuffed. And I love it because you guys know I like saggy bags. I love that. I love that. So I'm asking myself, I love this. This is beautiful. It's Coach. But do I need it? Again, you guys, I'm kind of back in the same boat with the turmeric yellow and my tabby yellow that I had. They're almost the same, but they're not the same. Do I need that bag or this bag to stay in my collection when I already have these colors? Help me, you guys. I love this, but I love this. And when I look at the two, they look the same, you guys. So let's take her away because we don't want her to steal the shine, because she is, if you know, you know, okay? But that is my dilemma right now. That is my dilemma. My dilemma is, should I keep her? And I thought about it. You know, I asked my daughter, you know, she has a birthday coming up. She's like, Mom, I don't want any more bags. You already bought me pink bags and da-da-da. And so I got my friend a bag. I do have some accessories that's coming with this. I did get the wristlet that goes with it, and I'll just show you this is not the wristlet, but I got the signature wristlet that goes with this. It's like this. I also got the notebook, which I'll keep those because, again, accessories, SLGs, those always can go with other bags. But I'm still trying to debate, you guys, should I keep her? Now, I love the style of bag. I think she's gorgeous. I have so many accessories that go with her. You guys know I'm going to assess. Let me pull out all my accessories that would go with this beautiful bag, okay? And give you guys a little bit of what I do. But I'm still up in the air on it. So if you don't know, we have the teddy bear. You guys remember this one? She goes beautiful with this. Look at this. Gold hardware. Blends perfectly. Okay. I love the butterflies. To me are my favorite on this pink. Let me flip them around. And I think because they're not all one color, they have that deep, let me see what's happening here. They have that deep burgundy. Look at that. That looks so good on how it highlights the pink. Okay. I also have, you know, this is my favorite. Why is this my favorite? Because it has the pink in it, you guys. It has a couple of pinks. And so, yes, it has silver hardware. You know, I don't care nothing about the blending, mixing hardware. It's the thing now, if you didn't know. But it goes well with this bag. Look at that. Look at that, you guys. Okay. I have my C. Again, silver hardware, but again, you mix your metals. You do what you want to do with your bags. They're your bags. That goes. That's cute. Okay. I probably would rock the C if I'm going to do the silver. At that point, I would play that with that. Okay. I'm just doing this really, really fast video. I'm trying, you guys. You have... I have my signature chain charm. Yeah. And I have an extender to make this clip. Okay. Like so. Very cute. You can always add this charm. You guys know I got this charm as well recently. Like so. Very cute. And then I have scarves, you guys. This scarf would go beautiful with that. If I wanted to scarf it up, you know. Just a quick one. I'm not going to wrap it. But if I wanted to do like a bow. That would go with that bag. So there's so many options you can do with your bags. We all know that's the thing right now is to style your bags. My only thing is this. I just want to ensure that I am adding to my collection and adding colors and styles that I don't necessarily have. Now, I did consider looking at some other styles of bags when this collection came out. But this is my favorite, so I'm going to get something that I would carry. Now, I do like the tote bags. And I seen the mini tote came with a guitar strap as well. But, you guys, help me. Help me. Should I keep her? And I know my coach girls are going to say, keep her, keep her, keep her. But again, I have this. And it's literally same pink. I know you guys are like, you got the shadows and this and that. But it's the same. It's the same pink. Beautiful bag. Beautiful, luscious leather. You guys know this is a beautiful bag. But again, I'm trying to figure out, should I keep her or should I take her back and if I take her back, I want to get the line. The yellow. They say yellow. But because I don't have that soft yellow. So what you guys let me know in the comments. Leave a comment. You know, I love dialogue and you guys chatting. Let me know, what do you think? Should I keep the Rowan, the regular size Rowan? It's not the mini, it's not the large. Or should I, in the pink, or should I take her back and get a different color? What should I do, you guys? Tell me, what should I do? I'm just thinking, should I get another color? Or should I get a different style? Or should I wait on something else? You guys let me know. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification button. I will be back to see you guys soon, and definitely to see what your thought process is, and help your sister out. Tell me to save some money. Do I need to save some money? Because I've been spending. Let me know. I'll see you guys later, and I'll talk to you soon. Be blessed, and, you know, enjoy your weekend, and I will see you soon. Bye.